How to add or remove apps from the taskbar in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove apps from your taskbar in Windows 11. It's super simple and a great way to keep your favorite apps right at your fingertips. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So to add it to your taskbar, it's one of the easiest way is to drag the app icon straight down to the taskbar. And here you see it snap in and now it's pinned. Here you can even click and drag to rearrange it wherever you want. And to remove it, just right click on the app on your taskbar and simply select Unpin from the taskbar and boom, it's gone. Now with that, let's move to the another way to pin it. You can also right click on the app icon and from the pop-up menu you can simply choose pin to start. And now if you open your start menu, you will see it there. From here you can simply right click it again and choose pin to taskbar, and now it's back on the taskbar. But you can go ahead and unpin it from the start if you don't want it to show up there. It's super flexible and really useful for quick access to your most used apps and tools. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.